Welcome to 1081 East Quintana Avenue in Mesa's desirable Nova Vista community, a stunning home designed for comfort, flexibility, and outdoor living. Set on a premium quarter-acre north-south lot, this 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath home features an open split great room floor plan with vaulted ceilings, diagonal set tile, plantation shutters, and a 3-panel sliding door that seamlessly connects indoor and outdoor spaces. The upgraded kitchen offers a spacious island with breakfast bar, granite counters, glass tile backsplash, stainless steel appliances, double ovens, gas cooktop, and a walk-in pantry, perfect for gatherings or everyday living. The owner's suite provides a peaceful escape with an updated bath, dual sinks, granite counters, and a large walk-in closet. Oversized secondary bedrooms add versatility for guests, work, or play. Step outside to a true backyard retreat with a heated and cooled PebbleTec pool, outdoor kitchen with bar seating, cozy fireplace, fire pit sitting area, and plenty of room to entertain or unwind. With a 3-car garage, RV gate, and ideal orientation for energy efficiency, this Nova Vista home combines luxury and livability in one exceptional East Mesa location.